Are you all ready for Colourwerx quilting? I'm Linda from Colourwerx Designs and welcome into the Colourwerx Sewing Studio and Workshop area. Today I want to highlight my most popular workshops and lectures that are both offered virtually and in person. So let's get started. A new workshop added both virtually and in person is Bodacious Blossoms Made Easy. In this 6-hour workshop, students will work on both a flower block and a leaf block, honing their 1/4-inch piecing skills, learning easy breezy half-square triangles, and all my tips and tricks for curved piecing. This is a super fun workshop for those who want to work on their precision piecing techniques. This is my most popular workshop to date. It's called the No Fear of Sewing Curves Cosmos Workshop. I offer it both virtually and in person. Liberated strip piecing comes together with curved piecing to make this gorgeous 22-inch Cosmos block. Students will learn my Wonky piecing technique as well as all my tips and tricks for sewing perfect curves. It's a great workshop for quilters of all skill levels who want to liberate their quilt making and conquer their fear of sewing curves. Another one of our most popular workshops is Color Bugs and Curves, also offered virtually or in person. This is a 2-technique in 1 class. In part 1, students will get liberated and wonky while slashing and sewing these cute color bug blocks together. Part 2, I'm going to share all of my favorite tips and tricks for sewing perfect curves while we construct the leaf blocks. Again, this is a perfect workshop for students of all skill levels who want stress-free piecing, getting liberated and wonky, and best of all, forgetting about their 1/4-inch seam for the day. One of our most popular workshops in person and now offered to you virtually is Wonky Piecing and Easy Applique. This can be booked in either a 3-hour or a 6-hour format, and students can choose to make a dog, a cat, or even a fish in class. Students will learn wonky, stress-free piecing and also the beginning basics of easy machine applique while stitching around these super large shapes. It is a perfect workshop for students of all skill levels and are guaranteed to have a fun time. I also offer my Colourwerx Trunk Show, where I show you loads and loads of quilts from my 20-year journey in the quilting industry, as well as our most popular lecture today, which is called Got Color. I guarantee you'll boost your color confidence and will show you how to find inspiration in the everyday objects that surround you for your next quilting and color palette. I invite you to go over to my website at colourwerx.com under the Workshop tab, where you can download my rate sheet and a brochure. So I would love to come visit you and your guild for a lecture or workshop. My contact information is right here, and I hope to see all of you on the Quilt Road soon, either virtually or in person. Thank you so much for your time and consideration today.